So I want to show you a Netflix extension that I discovered. It's called the Language Reactor. It's actually helpful, I think, when you're trying to learn a foreign language. So, like how I am trying to learn Korean. So, when you're watching Netflix in that certain language, it can actually help you in terms of showing you what the script actually says when you're having a hard time deciphering what the actors are saying. So I'm gonna showcase this, of course, with Hospital Playlist, my favorite. So here, if you have the Language Reactor extension installed, you can see this button here. So here, just turn it on, and then we'll see. Okay.
교수님, 안녕하세요.
So there. It actually shows the actual Netflix translation, which is a human translation in English here, but it's synchronously showing you Hangul as well as the romanization of the phrase. So if you're trying to see what they said, like 교수님 안녕하세요, it actually shows you the translation of each phrase. Of course, the translation is not perfect, but just like Google Translate and other translation tools, they can actually be quite helpful. So here we see all three: romanization, Hangul, and the English human translation. So you can actually customize this to what you want to be shown. So if you don't want the romanization and try just really reading the Hangul part, you can actually adjust that in the settings, and like that one. So
안녕하세요.
see, the romanization is not there anymore. So, but the thing is, sometimes it's not that perfect. Like, oh, is actually yes, I think, or something. Then, it shows here who's talking. Then there's also a setting wherein you can actually hide the subtitles, and it will appear if you hover over it.
오늘도 퇴근이 늦으시네요. 오랜만에 일찍 퇴근했는데 계속 올 일이 생기네요. 몇 번째 다시 오고 다시 오고.
But if
이렇게 된
you
거
don't hover
학교에
over
자료
it,
준비나 할까 하고.
it's hidden. So if you want
당직?
to test yourself, so let's go back to not hiding it. Okay, another cool thing, there is this column on the right which actually houses the subtitles. So here you can see the subtitle, and you can hover over it and then try to understand using the translation. You can click it,
당직?
and then if you want to really delve into that phrase, then the pronunciation, you can
당직?
see, you
당직?
can have the computer pronounce it for you,
당직?
and then other definitions can appear and usage examples. And then there's actually a setting here where if you turn it on, it pauses after every line.
김준환 교수님은 이태원 가셨어요.
So for you to digest what the phrase is, and then If you click again, then it
알아요.
continues. So there, just a cool extension.